Good day, friends. Last year in the beautiful fall in Ohrid, the Cooperation Resource and partners from the company Zelengrad conducted tests not just of a boat motor with a Slavyanka combined winding engine, but of a fully solar-powered and picturesque boat. Moreover, the boat was made in a traditional style, using old patterns, by craftsmen who are not so numerous in Macedonia anymore. They named it Sunny because it was supposed to be charged by solar panels located above the canopy. But it turned out to be not so simple. Theoretically, we understood that using panels would make the boat more mobile and allow it to move on the water throughout the day. We had already successfully tested this option in Kazakhstan, where we traveled 3,000 kilometers on a Bajaj Maxima tricycle. But unfortunately, delays at customs did not allow us to receive the solar equipment on time. So now, the panels have now been successfully cleared through customs, and a stainless steel frame has been made on which they are securely mounted. Why was this project launched and why is it so important for Ohrid? Historically, Russia has the largest reserves of fresh drinking water on the planet, and sometimes we don't understand why environmentalists in Europe are so eager to remove ICE from rivers and lakes. Lake Ohrid is compared to Baikal in terms of purity and beauty. You can drink the water from it, but in terms of size, these two lakes are incomparable. Lake Ohrid is much smaller. And in Russia, besides Baikal, we also have the Putorana Plateau, where there are 25,000 lakes from which you can drink water. And when the Subalmash project was launched, during a webinar, an investor from Bulgaria asked if Duyanov motors could be used on boats and ships. And this question was asked, of course, for a reason. As it turned out, it is possible, and very effectively at that. The first to seize this solution were the environmentalists of Ohrid Goran Nasteski from the company Zelengrad. So now, the boat is fully ready. With the support of SOLARGROUP, a lot of work has been done on preparation and testing. We need to move forward. Our goal is to completely replace all gasoline boats in Ohrid with electric ones, which means more than 2,000 motors in total. And ultimately, to create a solar-powered tourist fleet not only in Macedonia but also in the Balkans. In some other places, maybe even throughout all of Europe. Recently, we have just submitted an application for the annual International River Transport Exhibition in Belgrade. All the leading global brands in boat motor manufacturing will be at the exhibition. We plan to demonstrate and discuss in detail the prospects and potential benefits of using Slavyanka combined winding motors on water. And, of course, we will present this ready-made solar-powered tourist boat. Stay tuned for updates on the SOLARGROUP information channels. I also want to inform you that the resource website is now live, where you can learn about our projects. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.